Myself, Prasanna Sengupta from Sami Direct, Scientific Ayurveda Molecules of India. Today I discuss about immunity. That is, what is immunity and how it maintained through proper nutrition. What is immunity? Basically, immunity means internal power by which human being protect from external hazards like virus, bacteria attack, or anything like that. If our immunity is strong, then you can protect yourself from any disease or pathogen attack. Now I introduce the world-based immunity pack for all. Number one, Vita Essential. It is a unique bilayer tablet of Saminsa group, consists of all vitamins required for human body and minerals with bioperine. There are two layers, instant layer and sustain layer. Instant layer, it is made with vitamin B1, B2, B5, B6, B12, and vitamin A, E, D with ashwagandha extract and minerals like calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, chromium, and bioperine for our instant release. Sustain layer made of vitamin B3, folic acid, and copper and bioperine for sustained release. Vitamin is more required to perform our metabolic function, which affects directly to maintain our immunity. So, if anyone consume for 1 and 2 tablets per day, they can prevent themselves from vitamin deficiency disease by boosting immunity. Number two, bioprotectant. It is a protective nutrition just like antivirus provided in phone or computer. It protects ourselves from biological hazards such as radiation, smoke, pollution, etc. etc. It is made of curcumin, C3 power, and bioperine with vitamin E. I will discuss curcumin later, but I will now discuss what is bioperine and its efficacy. Bioperine is a main extract of black pepper by which bioavailability of any nutrition is increased up to 3 times. That means without bioperine, any nutrition absorbs our body just for example 20%, then with bioperine it will be almost 60%. Our most maximum products are made with bioperine, which differentiate the Samis product from others. Samilab gets Swiss international patent on bioperine. Bioprotectant is a high antioxidant. It gives overall protection by increased immunity. It is a very much effective from lungs prevention or management, especially for smokers. It protects eye for radiation very well and heart also. Number three product is black seeds. It is a main extract of black cumin, which is called blessed black seed. For that reason, it can prevent and manage all disease except death, which was told Hazrat Muhammad in Quran before 3000 years ago. Black seed is a high antioxidant. It works on inflammation, allergy, blood pressure, diabetes management, lipid management, heart-related problems, asthma, and many more diseases enhanced by immunity. Number four, colostrum. It is a natural immune booster nutrition which we get from first milk of mother after birth. But there is any lack of colostrum, then it's badly affect on immunity. So Dr. Muhammad Majid, the founder of Sami Sayensa, introduced a colostrum supplements collected from cow's first milk. It is a IgG plus immunoglobulin with lactospore. It is very much effective to improve gut health, oral hygiene, salivary gland secretion, diarrhea, and any abdominal problems. Colostrum prevents ulcer and any stomach problem due to presence of digestive intolerance blend. Number five, zinc. Recently, studies reveals that zinc has an important role to boost up immunity. Samis zinc is a form of zinc monomethionine with vitamin A, B6, and bioperine. Zinc monomethionine is used for maximum absorption of body. Besides immunity boosting, zinc has a major role in metabolism, enzyme secretion, stress management, hypertension, and prostate problem. Now I discuss the flagship product of Semidirect, which is most powerful nutrition in the world. That the curcumin city power. It is a unique invention of the world which works on every problem in every age. It is a combination of three curcuminoids with bioperin. It is main extract of turmeric. It is the one of the patent product of the Salicylasa group. It is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal. It is known to everybody. It works on liver, heart, joint pain, stroke management, cancer, Parkinson, Alzheimer, sugar management, and so many diseases. It reduces bad effect of chemotherapy and radiation for cancer patient. It is powerful antioxidant whose product value is 15 lakhs, whereas turmeric value, product value is 1 lakh 27,000. So it is clear that consume turmeric and curcumin is not the same thing. So if you want to get maximum health benefits as well as immunity, then you have to consume curcumin, not turmeric. This is our total package of immunity. Now question may arise in such a way that it is possible to consume six nutrition. So I suggest everyone, if you adopt curcumin and black seed permanently in your life and other for nutrition wise, then you get maximum health benefits for healthy lifestyle. Thank you.